Hey friends, this is Souramita. Welcome back to my channel. First, I want to wish you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Today, I'm gonna draw a beautiful boho painting of Lord Shri Ganesh, and I'm using my 10 years old poster colors for this painting. So, I'm super excited for this, and I have already drawn the outline, and now I'm lining the edges with masking tape. Now I'm filling the background with white color. First, I'm lining the edges of the shapes using a round brush of size 10. Now I'm filling the remaining portion of the background with a round brush of size 12. Now my base is ready, and I kept it aside for letting it dry. I'm creating a pink shade by mixing the red color with the white, and I'm creating the first element with this pink color. Here I'm using a round brush of size 10. I've created a light orange shade by mixing yellow with red and white, and now I'm adding the other elements with this light orange shade. I'm creating the final elements with light yellow color, and I have created this shade by mixing yellow with white, and And I have chosen this color palette to give this painting a pastel look. Now I'm adding some details with all of these 3 color shades. Comment below अभी तक का process आपको कैसा लगा? Well, I'm done with adding details and now I'll keep it for some time so the paint gets dried. I'm drawing with pencil again because I cannot see the pencil lines after adding the colors. Now I'm lining the pencil outline with black color using a round brush of size 0. Making outline with black color is tricky because anytime your paint may get scattered and it will ruin your complete painting. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon so that you never miss any new video. Like and share this video and comment your thoughts below. I always love reading your comments. And hey, did you subscribe my shorts channel? And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. My painting is complete and now I'll remove the masking tape. Now I'm lining the edges with a black ball pen. Well, I'm absolutely loving this boho art. See you in the next video. Bye.